Good evening, this is Anna Schomer, and I am presenting you with educational blogs that are great resources for educators. The three that I will be discussing are Edutopia, TeacherTube, and Cool Cat Teacher. Edutopia is a great website full of resources that are great tools for educators. Edutopia provides articles sorted by topic that teachers will find beneficial in making learning effective. Our vision is of a new world of learning based on the compelling truth that improving education is the key to the survival of the human race. It's a world of creativity, inspiration, and ambition informed by evidence and experience. Evidence and experience. I am a huge believer in student-led learning, and Edutopia does a great job at giving examples and articles that educators can read to take the evidence we are teaching them and to match it with the experience that these students already have to make it make sense to them. On Edutopia, the topics can be viewed in alphabetical order, which makes it very easy to find something, very easy to navigate. Lists top articles on the homepage, and it lists hot topics such as assessments, project-based learning, social and emotional learning, integrated studies, professional development, and technology integration. I would like to walk you through Edutopia. Here we are on Edutopia, and here is their homepage. As you can see, we have articles for classroom management, literacy, formative assessments, creativity, administration and leadership. It literally has something for everyone. It's such a great resource. This can be shared with your teacher friends, or just searching for something that you need to build on or to work on. Down here, you can look at all the articles that are in assessments. You can see how many people have viewed them, which would show you, hey, this is a great article, or maybe I need to look for something else. Self-paced learning in middle school math, a year of no test, professional learning, it just goes on and on and on. If you click in topics, you can select from here, or you can select from the alphabetical order that they are being placed in. The next blog that I will be discussing is TeacherTube. Educators are always looking for fun new ways to teach and engage their students. Most of the time, teachers can find fun videos on YouTube. But TeacherTube is also a great resource, a great tool for educators as it provides videos for literally everything. TeacherTube is a trusted source shining a spotlight on what works in education. We show people how they can adopt or adapt best practices, and we tell stories of innovation and continuous learning in the real world. That is supposed to say TeacherTube. Please ignore my mistake. On TeacherTube, there are videos galore. There are subjects of math, science, social studies, language arts, and even kids' educational songs. I would like to walk you through TeacherTube. Here is TeacherTube. As you can see, listed at the top are all of your subjects and more. If you click more, you can see history and algebra, earth science, PE, elementary science, geography. You can go to college, middle school, high school, elementary, and where it breaks down these subjects for that specific age group. You can search and find lessons. Let's say that you needed something on fractions. You could type in fractions and see what pops up. In kids' educational songs, it gives you songs that you could use in Spanish. That's pretty cool. Language arts has different types of lectures that can be played for colleges. Language arts for elementary, handwriting, a bunch of really cool things to really get your students engaged. The last blog I would like to discuss is Cool Cat Teacher. This is another great resource for educators. She is organized and provides sections at the top of her page for educators to easily navigate. Other educators can share to the blog, so if you stumble across an article that you want out there, you can share to her blog. If you write your own blog and you want to share your blog, you can share that on her page. She does a daily podcast that is 10 minutes long. Perfect for someone who would like to start their day with motivation or discussing tough topics. However, there is almost too much information on this blog, which can be overwhelming. I will walk you through to Cool Cat Teacher. Here's Cool Cat Teacher. Right here, you can do technology, trends, cool stuff. You can look at lesson plans. You can go to teachers or you're a student. You can go by grade level, and you can listen to the 10-minute teacher podcast. If we go to lesson plans, there are many different articles that you can read. Parts of her blog that she has written, 10 ways to use Tract for personalized project-based learning, word workouts, using pop culture. She provides many ways to keep our students engaged, to keep their motivation high. And you can even look by subject. She even has stuff for special education teachers. Here are my resources. On the links, you can click to open up those pages. I hope you have enjoyed the information that I have shared with you. Thank you.